This 2005 Fleetwood Tioga is a Class C RV. It is located in Hot Springs, Arkansas, 71901 and is offered for sale by Quality Wheelz. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Fleetwood is 31 feet 11 inches in length and features a white and brown interior, sleeps 6, carbon monoxide detector, DVD player, oven, refrigerator, external shower, awning, auxiliary battery, TV antenna, leveling jacks, water heater. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, outdoor entertainment, rear entertainment. This 2005 Fleetwood Tioga is built on a Ford E450 chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.